Hello, once again, biology students. Welcome back for week 6. I hope that you had a nice, restful 4-day weekend. Remember that this week schedule is going to be a little different than our typical schedule. Obviously, no school on Monday. It was a holiday. Tuesday is 246, Wednesday 135, Thursday 246, but the real change comes on Friday. Friday is going to be 135. No Friday schedule this week. So you will only go to your first, third, and fifth period class on Friday. So that means that you will see me twice for biology this week as we normally do, just no check-in on Friday, no chance to get kind of the help that you need. So make sure that if you run into any problems with anything, you reach out to me, let me know after class, send me a Jupiter message, something like that. Okay. As far as what do we have going on this week, I kept it pretty straightforward, just 2 assignments this week for you. And let me show you what those 2 assignments are. We are going to keep learning what we did last week about the cell cycle and how one cell will grow and divide into 2 cells related to like repairing your body or replacing dead tissue like the outside of your skin. Well, the process where the cell actually splits into 2 different cells that has a very special name. It's called mitosis. And we're going to walk through the steps of mitosis and take some notes. And then you're going to take the notes from last week and this week, and you're going to use them to do a concept map. So 2 things this week, notes and a concept map. That's it. That's all you got going on. Okay. So we are going to put notes here. Now, this looks pretty bare right now. In fact, I'm gonna make a little space right here because I'm gonna put in a couple images. I'm gonna put a link to a couple videos actually, that'll show you mitosis. There are many videos and many things in Google that you can find about mitosis to help you out. So if you get stuck on the stuff we talk about, there's plenty of resources out there for you, okay? We will also be taking notes together in class, as we always do. So make sure you come to class on Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll be taking the notes, and then I'll post them in here like I normally do as well. Okay, so take the notes, turn them into Jupiter. That's 1 assignment this week. Oh, not on homeostasis. Sorry, on mitosis. Got that wrong. Okay, all right. Now, the second thing this week is if you had me last semester, you're like, uh-oh, concept map. Oh, man, I remember these. Now, as much as you may not like them, you have to admit they're like vegetables. They're good for you. They help you. You may not like to do them, but, sometimes you got to do the things you got to do in order to learn the stuff you need to learn. And so for those of you that have not done a concept map before, I'm going to go over how to start a concept map on Thursday and Friday's class. So I want to do this one more time to make sure everybody knows how to start a concept map. But I actually have a special video here that shows you how to make a concept map. Now, the words in this video are going to be different than the words we're going to use, but the process is the same. So make sure that if you want to watch me do another concept map, there's a video I made to show you the steps of how to do it. There are 2 parts to a concept map. There are the words with the definitions and the connections. That's the map. And then there's the summary that goes with the map. Okay, if you only turn in the map and you get full credit on it, you're still only going to get like 20 out of 50 points. The summary is worth 30. You have to do the summary. Okay. And if you do the map well, then the summary is real easy. You just read what information you have off the map and just turn it into sentences on your summary. Okay. If you're trying to do it off the top of your head, it's going to be real hard. All right. So I give some instructions on how to make the map right here. But again, I will show you this on Thursday and Friday. These are your words for the map: cell cycle, G1 phase, S phase, cytokinesis, which you have in your notes from last week. And this week, we're going to go into more detail on prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and mitosis. So these 5 words are coming this week on the notes earlier in the week. And then the word multiply. What does it mean and what does it connect to? So first, you're going to take these words. You're going to define these words. You're going to connect them somehow. And don't forget to explain the connections. Just drawing a line from G1 to S phase doesn't tell me you know how those two go together. I need to know why they're connected. Why did you connect them? And then there's a summary. Now, it looks like a really short amount of instructions, which it is, but that doesn't mean it's a short on work. This takes a long time to write your summary. And I always throw extra credit points to people who really do a good job on the summary. So great summary, you know, it's worth, the whole assignment is worth 50. Maybe you get 55 out of 50, 60 out of 50. I don't know. It depends on how much I see you really taking your time and doing a good job. So there is possibility for extra credit points here too. Okay. So again, we will do that. I will start it with you on Thursday and Friday. If you want to get started ahead of time, if you had me last semester and you know how to do this, great. Use your notes from last week and this week to make the concept map. So notes and a concept map. Those are the two things this week. Like I said, not very difficult, but there is work to get done this week. Okay. All right. So I'll see all of you in class. Again, remember Tuesday is 246. And I will see you at the regular times. Have a good one.